Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert a test bank from the curriculum container to an assessment in your course. So what we're first going to do is go to our groups and go to the curriculum container and click on resources. We'll want to find our test bank. So I'm going to pick on my grade level. I'm going to pick my subject and then click on curriculum documents and find my unit. Say it's graphing, and go down to evaluation for learning. And so here is my test bank. And what I want to do is click on the gear and click copy to, and I'm just going to leave it at my home resources, and I'm not going to put it in a folder. And I'm going to click copy. So now what I want to do is actually create a test. So I'm going to go to my course and I'm going to go to my practice. And I'm going to just click add materials, add a test. I'm going to give it a name. I think this one was called graphing. And I'm going to give it a category. I could leave it as ungraded if I'd like. Just click create. Do is click on add question, and I want to add a question from a question bank, which is what I just saved to my resources. So I'm going to click on individual questions, and now I'm going to scroll all the way down, and here's that mastery bank. I'm going to just select all of them. I can set point zero if I'd like, and click add questions. So now what I have is the test. Okay, so now what I need to do is go back to the test, and I need to save it back to my resources in order to convert it. So I'm going to go back to my practice course, scroll all the way to the bottom. Here's that graphing test. I'm going to click on the gear and click Save to Resources. I'm just going to leave it in the home and click Save Copy. And now I'm going to go back to my resources. Again, I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And here's that graphing test. I'm just going to click on the gear and click Convert to Assessment and click Convert. Okay, and so it'll take a few minutes. Okay, and so I'm just going to hit refresh. Once I've refreshed, here is my graphing test that is now an assessment. And so all I would need to do is add it to my course. And then I can choose which courses I'd actually like to add it to. I'll go ahead and add it back to my practice course, just so that I have it there. And so now, if I go to my practice course, and I scroll all the way to the bottom, there's that graphing test.